Damn.
Sit back and just watch us bubble. Gorillas out of the concrete jungle. We come with more heat. Trip down.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. If you can see, my bike has a flaw in it that whenever it starts raining or some water gets inside my the cables, and it just jams it. And so what I'm gonna try is, I'm gonna modify them and let's see how it goes. I have not tried anything like this before, so hope it goes well. Right now I'm heading towards the bike shop. It's a local bike shop rather. So I'm from there heading towards the welding shop and back to the bike shop. Okay, let's go. Alright, so right now I'm not wearing my shoes because they are all wet from inside. I don't have mud guards on my bike, so I think fine. Got a suggestion from local bike shop. This is a shop, that's the guy. So he said that from here the cable will go, but from here pretty less gap in between. But as you can see here, you can go from here and from here also can also go like a whole cable. So you just have to remove this, or let's see what welding guy says. Installing the new wires. So this is the setup right now. Check it out. I don't know if this is good or not, but I hope I will tape from here. I will put it nice so that the wire could not get out. And I have removed the cable from the front derailleur. Bike shop didn't have the front derailleur cable, so he has, I don't know what he did, but he has locked my derailleur on the second gear. So yeah, that's a pretty good thing because I don't ride in. Get out my t-shirt. Alright everybody, so yesterday I came back home. I just slept for I don't know how much hours, but I didn't vlog anything yesterday. So it's 5:30 right now, and I'm gonna for a small ride around the city. I'm gonna meet my friends like Casey or friends, and let's see if we can install the front derailleur today, and if not, next vlog. Alright, so I'm heading towards the bike shop, local bike shop, to install the gear cable. As you can see, I don't have any gear cable. It is locked on the, and it's raining like cats and dogs in Mumbai. Oh, no. So as you can see, the shop is closed. So right now I'm heading towards my friend's place. Over there we are going to do some repair in my suspension, I think. Let's see what happens. cable installed from the front. Cable installed. So I want to say something like, not always there will be a GoPro in my video because I don't have a GoPro, I don't own a GoPro. This is my friend's GoPro. So that's why I just want to say this thing. I'm at the bike shop right there. And the old front area. Check it out. Alright, so look who we have here. This is Vishka. He's getting some food for us. And right now, this is my bike. This is Vishka's bike. So I just met some friends and right now I'm heading towards my home, and this is our Kalyan Cyclist race on 15th of July 2018. If you can join it, please participate in it. Everything will be in the description for this. Just go through it, and if you haven't watched our video of ithis XCO track, the race track, so please go and watch it. It's here in the I button, here. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Pretty small video, I know. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm heading towards my home, and actually so today I met Pushkar and Hitesh, and we were just talking about like how my suspension will work, like how my suspension is not really good, like it's pretty much broken now. I don't know when it's gonna broke apart, so that's what we were talking, like buying new suspension and everything. So yeah, I think let's see how it goes. Let me show you my suspension.